Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove the border from the first page only in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to remove the border from the first page in this document. Click the border. Then press delete on our keyboard. Then go to the another page and we can see another page don't remove the border, and first page already removed this border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.